Right. Um, we're back. I've undone the cables and I'm going to show you now how to wire it. Just a bit of fiddly at the beginning because everything was all tied up. So without further ado, we will do the TV first. And fortunately, my battery has died and I can't go, so I would give you a close-up, I can't. So I'll do my best and I'll go through it. You just take the Ethernet back at the back of your TV out. So that will eject that one. That's the old Ethernet, as you can see. That's the old one. These are the new ones. And just hope they're long enough. That it should be, yes. But yeah, hopefully the speed will be better because obviously this, I've got a 49-inch HD 4K TV and it does my job. I do mostly for my Xbox, and I watch like films mostly, and now and again do multiplayer, but it depends on what mood I'm in. So obviously you take the gold end of the Ethernet into the back of the telly. It's a bit fiddly at first. There's one. I suggest though, turn off YouTube, but because I've had trouble with my internet, I don't want to do that. But you're more than welcome to turn it off, but so then you'll have a new fresh stream of connections, so you'll get the best speed. Obviously, like I stated in my first video, I'm again 80, so I'll show my other setup in the bedroom, but yeah. So actually we will put this one into my BT TV. If it will reach. That's my TV, isn't it? So yes. So we put that one into two. I'll put my T-Link back in. It's just been so busy day today. I've been in college, so I've only just got these from Amazon Locker today. But yeah, it is worth upgrading because if one of your Ethernet cables actually start to die on you, then it is worth buying an Ethernet yearly. It depends how much you use the internet, but if you've got the speed, then simple, isn't it? It's all plain and simple. So I've just took the one from the Xbox. I will unplug my BT TV as well. So that's that one away. It's actually three because I forgot. It was actually three for the TV. One for the TV, one for the Xbox, and one for the BT TV view. But hope this does it because I was having trouble with streaming on my Xbox. But these are top of the range Cat 7, which is less interference than the gold patches. But as you can see in here, obviously you've got orange, blue, green, brown, and yeah, I say in networking terms it's like 2, 3, 4 or A, B. It depends on your setup, on your master socket, or if you were doing Ethernet to router. Either way. plug this in. Just like that. Always you up for the click. Feed it through. Undo that bit. Oh Christ. There's that one. I'll just get another one. I thought I bought 5. So they do all count up really. But as you can see, broadband connection restored. That's my VTTV UVim. But saying, because I've got Ultra HD, 4K, it should be a lot better. Hopefully. Hopefully, yeah. I ignore that, that's just because I just go back. And there you go, Sky Cinema. Because I'm with BT, I don't have Sky, so I can't get Sky where I am. So the Sky internet channels. So I'll just plug this into my Xbox, just like so. I know this is a long video, obviously being my first. I'll try and be as quick as possible. Feed that one through into port 4. So saying like if I wanted to extend my network, then I would have to have a switch. But yeah, that's a bit tight. That one is. Right. Let's just draw these back up. Always use cable ties, or if you can, cable ties. They do work to keep your cables all nice and tidy. Saying a pack of 5 of these only cost me £13. It depends on your variant really. It's a bit tight there. That's plugged in, fine. So that is my first setup. They're all done. So that's pretty much it. I might have to get a longer one, I think, because that is too short for the TV one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Hope you enjoy watching this.